Before we get into the WooCommerce tutorial video, I want you to pay close attention to the final few minutes of the video, as WooCommerce has made a few changes. At the end of this video, we've updated our tutorial video with some further instructions, so please take note at the end of the video to follow the final instructions to complete your WooCommerce installation. Now on to the tutorial. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up WooCommerce within your ReviewTrust account. So the first thing you'll need to do is click on New Campaign located in the left-hand column. This is going to take you to the screen where you can create a new campaign. We'll give our campaign a name. Next, you'll want to select WooCommerce from the vendor drop-down list. Next, you'll click on Add an Account. This is going to bring down an area just like this. You can also get to this area by clicking on the Your Account button located over here. The next step is to take the API URL. We'll highlight that, we'll copy it to our clipboard, and then we'll log into our WooCommerce account within our WordPress dashboard. So in the left-hand column, you'll notice WooCommerce is located here. You want to hover your mouse over that and select Settings. Next, you want to select API. Next, you'll want to click on Webhooks. And you're going to want to create a new webhook. So we'll click on Add Webhook. And you will want to set the status to Active. Next, under Topic, we'll select Order Created. And we'll paste in our API URL under the delivery URL. The secret text box will leave blank, and we'll click Save Webhook. Once that's finished, we'll repeat the process. So we'll click on Settings, and then we'll click on Webhooks again to get back to the webhooks screen. Once we're on the webhooks screen, we'll need to create another webhook. This time the webhook is going to be slightly different. So we'll go ahead and we'll set that to active again. Under Topic, instead of selecting Order Created, we'll select Order Updated. And then we'll paste in the same API URL. We'll click Save Webhook. Okay, once it's saved, we'll click on Settings just to get out of the screen. And we'll click on Webhooks again to go back to the webhooks screen. And we have one more webhook to create. So we'll click on Add Webhook, and again we'll select Active. We'll scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and the last one we want to select is Order Deleted. So this will be the third and final webhook. We created Order Created, we created Order Updated, now we're creating Order Deleted. Under Deliver URL, we'll paste in the API URL once again, and we'll click Save Webhook. And once you do that, you have successfully created all of the webhooks within your WooCommerce account. The final step is to go back into your ReviewTrust account, and you want to input item numbers. Now if you have a WooCommerce account, the item numbers are the product ID located within your WooCommerce settings. So if you go back into your account and you view your specific products within your WooCommerce account, you'll notice that there is a product ID associated to each product. Those are the item numbers that you'll need to enter into this text box right here. And you want to separate those by a comma. The final step is to click Save here. You want to finish filling out the rest of the fields in the campaign settings and click Save Campaign. And that is how to successfully connect WooCommerce to your ReviewTrust account. This is the update for the WooCommerce installation. If you followed the previous installation and WooCommerce is no longer working for you, this is likely the reason. WooCommerce has made a few changes, whereas if you're running a newer version of WooCommerce, you'll notice that there is a new field down here called API version. When you install the new version of WooCommerce, it's going to default you to WP REST API integration v2, version 2. ReviewTrust will not integrate with version 2. So a simple fix is to come down and switch it to WP REST API integration version 1, and then click Save Webhook. From then on, ReviewTrust should work just fine for you. Thank you.